Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create sweeping glowing edges effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First things first, drag the footage into the sequence or timeline. Then, analyze the footage. Like which part do you need for the effect and other things. After finalizing it, duplicate the footage layer by simply hold and clicking Alt key from your keyboard. Then click the upper footage. Go to Effect Controls. In the opacity option, change the blending mode to Screen. Now, you have to apply 5 effect in the upper footage layer. First of all, from Effects, search Extract, and drag it to the upper footage layer. Then, in same way, drag the Find Edges effect. Then Tint. Then Turbulent Displace. Then finally, VR Glow. Then go to Effect Controls tab. In the Extract effect, change the value of black input level to 0. Then change the value of white input level to 0. Then in the same way, change the value of softness to 0. Then set a white input level starting keyframe at the first frame of the footage. Then go to 1 second later. And set ending keyframe here at value 180. Then go to Next Effect, Find Edges, and enable Invert option by clicking tick mark. Then go to Next Effect, Tint, from Map White. 2. Select a color according to your choice. Then go to Next Effect, Turbulent Displace. Change the value of amount to 100 and change the value of size to 20. Now from drop-down menu of anti-aliasing for best quality, change it to high. Then go to Next Effect VR Glow, change the value of Luma Threshold to 0.50. Change value of glow radius to 30, glow brightness to 4, and glow saturation to 10. Enable Use Tint Color by clicking tick mark. Now from Tint Color, choose the previous color you had, choose earlier or similar to that color. Now go to Opacity option again. Go to 15 frames before the 1 second mark of the footage by clicking the Shift plus left arrow key 3 times from your keyboard. Set a opacity starting keyframe here, then go to 1 second position again, and set the ending keyframe and set the opacity value to 0. That's it. Check the footage for final output. That's how you create sweeping glowing edges effect in Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.